Sibling relationships are unique and can be both wonderful and challenging. Having siblings means having built-in friends for life. It's a bond that often starts in childhood and continues into adulthood. Growing up with siblings, I've experienced various aspects of these relationships. There are moments of great camaraderie, where we laugh, play, and share secrets. But, like any relationship, there can also be disagreements and conflicts. These are natural and can be valuable for personal growth. One of the beautiful things about sibling relationships is the support and understanding that comes with them. Siblings can be your confidants, your partners in mischief, and your allies in times of need. They know your history, your quirks, and your family inside out. Challenges also arise. Sibling rivalries can be intense, especially in the early years. But with time, many of these rivalries evolve into deep bonds. The key is learning to appreciate each other's differences and strengths. I've found that clear communication is essential. It's important to express our feelings, listen to one another, and find common ground. This can help resolve conflicts and strengthen the relationship. As we grow older, we may live in different places and lead separate lives, but the connection remains. Siblings are often the ones who've known us the longest and witnessed our journey. It's a special relationship that evolves with time and creates lasting memories. Though sibling relationships can have their ups and downs, the love and understanding that underlie them make them truly special.